Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey fans, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. And for those who are new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Sharon, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, because you're new of course, then you better subscribe guys, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, I'm so excited for this one. Hey fans! So I'm really excited today because finally I am doing a sit down video again because I completed this room. I finally did some arrangements or a lot of cleaning in this room so that I could be able to film a good quality video for you guys. I don't want to do a sit down video when it's all clutter at the background, so I really already figured something that I could use this room, and at the same time Ricky could use this room as well. So I divided. If you have watched my new filming area video, yeah, you will have an idea on what I did in this room. So yeah, I'm so excited today because I am finally here, and I'm really been wanting to do sit down videos for a while because I don't know when was the last time that I did, maybe a year ago, or I don't know. Yeah, I could not really remember because it is so long time ago. And I don't know guys if you like this setup or the lighting. I've just used all the lightings that I have. I haven't bought anything new because I don't have that much money yet, but still I'm so excited and having this corner of this room for me as a filming because I really love filming. I really miss doing sit down videos on YouTube, and yeah, lately I've been just doing vlogging. Yeah, lately. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing to you what we did on how to whiten Sashi's teeth. Yeah, her teeth. When I saw her teeth, like we filmed this almost a year ago. I don't know guys if I'm going to, oh by the way guys, I don't know if I'm going to do a Taglish video or full on or straight English video, but we'll see, whatever, okay? So like I've said, this video is going to be how we widen, how I find a way to widen Sashi's teeth, because when I saw her teeth last year, we filmed that last year, I wasn't able to upload it. So we filmed it last year, and I was really, when I saw her teeth, oh my gosh, her teeth was so yellow. I kid you not guys, so her teeth was so yellow, and I was we've been trying some home remedies like the baking soda and stuff. Although baking soda did whiten a little, or I don't know, her teeth, but it is a very slow process, and I really wanted her teeth to be really white because it is so yellow from eating. She always eat cheese flavored fries. Yeah, that one had made her teeth really yellow. So luckily I have I purchased something from Amazon that is whitening product, and although this is not the very affordable one, but for me I think it is much affordable compared to if she'll go to the dentist, because I have asked the dentist how much is their teeth whitening, and it ranges from 10,000 up, so that is really pricey. So although like I said, it's not that affordable, but still if you're going to compare it, going to the dentist to have your teeth bleached, this is much affordable. So guys, I'm so sorry if you can hear buzzing or something because I have my fan on because it's really hot in this room. I have all the windows closed so that there will be no background noise. Yeah, I am really so excited. I know this video is going to be all over the place because it's my first time in forever that I did the sit down video. So yeah, that's it, and I'm going to show you how she whitened her teeth now.
So here is Sashi's teeth. As you can see, it is so yellow. And this is much more yellow in person, guys, I tell you. So this is her teeth now. It is now so white, bright, and she is so happy because she can smile with a big smile now.
So this is what we use to whiten Sashi's teeth. Yes, this is the Crest 3D white strip. I know you are already familiar with this one because I think 4 years ago, this is so popular here in YouTube. A lot of beauty gurus use this one to whiten teeth, and for me, it is really effective because I've already used this one to whiten also my teeth. That's why I let Sashi use this too on her teeth because I know that it is really effective in whitening teeth. Although it made her teeth and my teeth a little sensitive, but it's no biggie because we can do some remedies with your sensitive teeth, like using toothpaste that are for sensitive teeth like the Sensodyne. So if you use that together, the Sensodyne toothpaste and together with this one, your sensitivity will be not an issue anymore. So this is what we've used. It's very, very effective, guys. I forgot how much I paid on this one. I got this on Amazon, and I will just have the link somewhere here because not the link, the price here, because I really forgot how much. So I need to check on it again. So for her, we used the 3D white strip professional effects. This has 40 strips, and you are going to be surprised, guys, because she only used 20 strips on this one. Yeah, half on me, half on her, and her teeth was whitened with just only 20 strips. So she was really surprised and so happy because she was really always been telling me, "Mom, my teeth are so yellow." Yeah, and yeah, she was so happy when we did the 3D Crest white strip from 3D. What? The Crest 3D white strip. So she was so happy when she found out that her teeth finally is white again. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. It's a very, very simple video. Actually, I did not do anything some DIYs on how to whiten her teeth because we really tried to do DIYs like the baking soda I said, but it was such a slow process and she cannot wait and she cannot commit doing the baking soda like every night, brushing her teeth. But unlike with this one, it's very, very easy. You just, before she goes to sleep, she brushes her teeth and then mouthwash, and then I put it on her teeth, and then we time it for like 30 minutes, and it's very, very easy, and yeah, it's very children-friendly whitening strip. So I don't know if your child is younger than Sashi, it's your own discretion if you want to use the Crest 3D white strips on them. It's your discretion. It's your decision. Yeah, just a disclaimer on that. I do not promote you can use it on children, but for me, Sashi is already 14, so I think it is already safe to use that on her, but I don't know with smaller children. So that's just a disclaimer, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me on YouTube, on my videos. I really do appreciate it so much, and yeah, I'm so happy. And thank you once again. I hope to see you on my next video, and always remember that makeup is not a mask for it to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I'll see you on my next video, guys.